Hi everyone. This video is how to access MBA research. So starting from our MBA homepage, you highlight the news and research link right here. You have two options to access the most used research products we have. Forecast and commentary is one of our most popular, and it is part of our complimentary reports. If you scroll down, this is where you can download the latest economic forecast as well as the mortgage market forecast. Both are extremely popular. If you go back up to the news and research drop down right here, you can click on all research and economics, and this will take you to the main research page we have. You can click on whichever one you're interested in here. I'm going to go ahead and click on single family just to show you. And if you scroll down, this is where you will find all of the different research and reports that we have. So anything from applications, originations, and state data, our benchmarking studies, as well as our delinquency and credit availability reports. Our complementary ones are mixed in here, like our state mortgage market profile and our chart of the week. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact MBA Research at mba.org if they are research-focused questions, or you can always email membership@mba.org as well. Hope you have a great day.